Hello, Sanibonani, beautiful people. Sanibonani, and welcome back to another video. I am so excited. I think this month I'm gonna do a lot of videos because I'm excited. My energy is just there and ready for content. I'm really excited because today I've got a nice long day, and it's nice when your day is nice and it's all positive and good things happening. I'm off to Wimbledon. I've got 2 lunches. Yes, I fortunately I eat, so I will eat at both lunches. I'm going to see a friend of mine because you know what happens, guys, when you get to your 40s. Those of you who are not in your 40s, you will get there and you will remember this. And those of you who are in your 40s or have been in your 40s, please let me know in the comment section if you are also going through this. Is it a 40s thing or is it a me thing? Is it a tangible thing? When you get to your 40s, your friends start doing too much. There is just a lot that's happening in my life. I'm always busy. And it's a confusing age. It's a confusing age group because people are doing polar opposites of each other. Like I'm going to a graduation as well as a retirement in one weekend. One weekend, not today, but today I am going to celebrate a friend who's just passed a board exam, and they're all in their 40s. And at the same time, I'm also going to celebrate a friend who's just had a baby. So I've got friends who are having babies. I've got friends whose babies or children are graduating or going to universities. I've got friends. One friend of mine had a baby, their first baby, planned. That's what they wanted. They're 46. I'm like, izongcela amasi leyo ngane, but asikho lapho. So for those who don't speak isiZulu, amasi is sour milk. So that baby is going to be breastfed sour milk. It's a saying. I'm not being rude. It's a saying in my language, in my culture. I might be making it up, but it is a saying. Anyway, so one had a baby planned. The other one just had a baby. Total surprise. She's done. She's like, the baby that seniors that baby is 22. So she says she has a 22-year-old, and I think the baby is now what, 6 weeks? A 6-week-year-old baby. 6-week-year-old, 6-week baby. 6-week-year-old. Forgive me, English is not my mother. Anyway, she didn't want to have a baby. She thought she was done. She had closed the doors. Doors were locked where babies are made. But baby came by surprise. Even doctors were shocked because she had it like medically closed. But baby still came, so it's a surprise baby. They nickname her Pension. She's the pension baby. So I'm going to graduation parties and baby showers, celebrating my friends' birthdays, as well as celebrating friends who have become unalive. I'm celebrating friends who are getting divorced, friends who are getting married for the first time, as well as friends who are getting married for the third time. And I don't know what it is with divorce parties, but my age group, I don't know if because they will find any excuse for a party, but there are so many people who are having, like, throwing big parties to celebrate their divorces. And so it's a confusing age. It's a confusing age, and it's too much. Children of the 70s, you are too much. Calm down. Please, calm down. Like, half of my wage has to be put aside to attend all these things that my friends keep doing. Because they cost money just to get there. The present for this, that this for that, that this for that. And anyway, yeah, those are my friends. Some are celebrating their children who are turning 2. And then the same evening, you're going to celebrate another friend who's the same age, who's got a baby that's getting married. It's a lot. It's a lot. But let me know. What are your friends celebrating in their 40s? What are you guys celebrating in your 40s? And what am I? My son is also getting older. He's gone on his first let's holiday with his friends, which, as a mom, oh my word, I never thought I would worry this much. But what's keeping me sane is he's sending me photographs and videos of where they are. They went to Tenerife in the Canary Islands. I'm really excited for him, but I'm also very nervous as a mother. Sometimes I wish I had waited, Nami, and have my pension baby. So, hey, no, 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 I don't. Imagine having to go to the park and doing school runs at my age. My knees will say no. Anyway, did I tell you? Did I show you guys? Did I show you? The flyers have arrived. The flyers are here. They are here. Yay! And we're not just doing a comedy, we're also doing it for a good cause. We're raising funds for, I'll put the website in the description somewhere. We're raising funds to build wells in different countries. We're building wells so it's raising funds for for the clean water project, which builds wells in India, Africa, Sri Lanka, and Pakistan. Yeah, so I always like anything to do with giving back. And if you want to build a well, it is, how much is it? It's £160, and it will have your name on it. So check the website that I will link below. If you would like to donate, you can choose which country you want your well to be built in, and they will put your name or your company, organization, your YouTube channel, and it will be built on your name. And yeah, so I'm excited about that. I'm going to be taking these today to be handed out. That's what I miss about Edinburgh, because if I was in Edinburgh, I'd be doing it myself, because all my time will be just for comedy. But I've still got things to do, so I've got other people who are going to be doing this for me, who are going to be flyering. And the posters are here. These are the A3s. I've got different sizes. I'm going to be taking them also to be put in different places. And I made a mistake, which I'm not happy about. Can you spot the mistake here? I'm glad you can't, but it's a major mistake. I forgot to put the QR code. And what's the point of having a poster where you can, you know how you guys are so lazy, you don't want to type in, you want to scan. So what I've done is I've printed them on stickers, so it's going to be a job of having to stick them on. We've done quite a few already, so it's just a job of having to stick them on, stick them on, and that is it. And what else? The t-shirt. Did I show you guys the t-shirt? Let me show you. I'm wearing one now. I'm wearing one of them. Comedians Unplugged, and you can scan me, so I'm the walking billboard for the show. Walking billboard. You can scan me and buy your tickets. So these are some of the t-shirt designs. These ones I'm going, you see they're nicely folded. It's an order for someone. I'm going to post them. I'm going to go to the post office and post them. So this is the design. It looks like the one I'm wearing, just different nyana. And the size. This one is the same. Oh, it's not the same. It's the same color, but different design. It's got the poster in front. And because these ones are for people, not for staff, they don't have the QR code because they are not our walking billboards. And yay. Yeah, we've got sizes for children as well. So yeah, this is for a family that ordered for themselves and their children. This one as well. Comedians Unplugged. I'm excited about this tour. Hi guys, must I really open all of them? You know how nicely they are folded, and I'm gonna have to fold again. So we've also got yellow. We've got different colors. We've got different colors here. I've got a video that I did yesterday where I was opening the package, and if you watch it, you'll see all the designs and all the colors. And what else do we have? What else do we have? Oh, I'm so excited because these are made in Durban. I get them from Durban, South Africa, and so they brought them to me from Durban. They're made in Durban, South Africa, by Sublimation Guru. They do all my match. They do everything that you've ever seen me wear that has anything to do with my shows. I get them done there. They do, like, one day I'll sit down and do a video and show you guys that stuff they've done for me. So, and also they didn't only just send me the t-shirts. And let me show you what else they sent me. I'm so excited. It's so nice to be South African. These ones, nobody is going to get them. These are mine, guys. Big hugs. PS, I love you. PS is a South African chocolate. I don't know if other countries do them. I've only ever seen them in South Africa. PS, I love you. PS, big hugs. PS, thanks. That is just so nice. It's always nice to do business with people who are so lovely and kind. And they also brought me spices. And if you live abroad, if you live away from home, you know the importance of having spices from home, especially if you live in England. Food is not just about salt and pepper. Sometimes you need to spice it up. And Durban is known, like Durban is the capital city of India. We've got all the Indian spices you can think of. So let me share some of them with you. And if you live in the UK, if you are my friend in the UK and you're watching this, no, I do not have enough to share. I am not sharing. I will not be sharing with any of you. So this is spice for rice. This is fish spice, and I love fish. I love seafood. Fish spice. This is barbecue garlic. It says barbecue garlic. And they're all 20 rands, guys. 20 rands is less than a pound. These ones, anyway. Which is still a lot of money. But, I mean, compared to how much you would pay here, I'm really, really grateful. I'm really appreciative. Not only pay, but you would not even find them here. Mixed spice. Curry paste. I love my curries. I love cooking curry. It's a Durban thing. Yay, biryani mix. Yay. Urespite. Oh my word, how did they know? Moringa powder. If you guys saw the video where I was in Brixton Market, I was looking for moringa and I was going to go back there to buy it. It's 20 pounds and this is 20 rands. Oh my word, I am so happy. Moringa is so good for you. Let me show you. Moringa is so good. We have it in South Africa, but I first heard about it in Zambia. It's nature's secret. It's got vitamin C of oranges, vitamin A of carrot, the calcium of milk, the protein in milk, the iron. Well, it's 7 times. Okay, let me do it properly because I'm too excited. I'm doing it in a rush. So the benefits. It's got 7 times the vitamin C of oranges. It got 4 times the vitamin A of carrots, 4 times the calcium of milk, 3 times the protein in milk, 3 times the iron in spinach, 3 times the potassium of bananas, 3 times the protein of yogurts. Suggested dosage, take half a teaspoon with water, mornings and evenings. Oh my word, I've got a friend who's coming for the show from Durban as well. I'm going to ask her to buy me more of these. Thank you. I love everything else, but wow, what a pleasant surprise. I'm not even going to open these, but these are different spices packed in there, different things, mostly used for biryani. Yo, I am so spoiled. Jeera. Dhania powder. This is turmeric. I love turmeric. I drink it with milk. I make turmeric tea. Just boil milk with turmeric and black pepper. Love it. You can put honey as well, but I don't need honey because I am sweet enough. Medium masala. Garam masala. Spice pack. Cajun spice. Wow, I am so happy. And guess what else? Let me show you how many. These oils, the Mongolia tissue oil. I mix them with other oils and I can only get them at PEP in South Africa. I mix them with other oils to make my oil, to oil myself. Oh, and they also got me curry, which I've started using. Aromat. Let me show you. I think the aromat is here. I'll come back. I'm back with the aromat. I've never seen this one, the cheesy aromat, cheese seasoning, but I tried it. I love it. I enjoyed it. And the original Makoya. We can now find aromats at shops like Tesco's or Sainsbury's, but it just doesn't taste the same as the aromat from home. I am so happy, so happy. Anyway, guys, see you in a minute. Let me get out of here. I've got things to do.
Hey, beautiful people. So I made it to Wimbledon. This is where I am. I managed to get the flowers over there. It's so busy here and I'm trying to avoid people, so let's get going. Let's go. I have a friend who used to live here, so I just want to take a photo for her to show her I'm walking past the old neighborhood. Yeah, I'm going to send her the photo, and I'm sure she's going to be pleased. It's going to remind her of the good old times. The good old times in Rains Park. I'm off to Kingston now. Hey, beautiful people. I'm in Kingston. I just arrived in Kingston. I am meeting up with a friend. Actually, it's two friends to celebrate our friend who just passed. I got her the flowers and I also got a card, which is in my bag. Congratulations card. And I almost used my eyeliner to sign the card because I forgot to bring a pen. So now I'm going to have to ask her for her pen to sign her own card. So yeah, this is Kingston. I'm at the train station. Unfortunately, my friends are quite private people, so I will not be sharing that moment. I will not be sharing that because they are quite private. Well, they are publicly private. They are quite well-known people, but they like to do their private things privately. And their professions also require them to be less public in their doings than I am. Anyway, okay guys, I'll see you later. I'm so happy.
Which one do you want?
All of them.
Oh my God.
Guys, I am so happy. Look what I found. I'm going to start from outside so that you can see properly where I am and what I have just found. Savannah. I'm in Kingston and I have found Savannah, which is a South African shop. And let's go in. Let's go in. Woo! I'm so happy. Let me show you. Listen, I am so happy. You don't understand, Kelly. The Savannah. At the Savannah, they also sell Savannah. You know it's dry, but you can drink it. Hunters, there are so many things. Oh, the biltong, guys. Okay, let me show you the prices so that you can see that it is doable. Hunters $2.99. Savannah $4.10. Even Amstel, even Castle Lager. Just nice. Such a shame that I just received a big parcel of stuff from home. I saw JC Leroux, only $13.99. JC. Yeah, guys. Look how big is this biltong?
Which one is the four ones? Which one is that? Yeah, this one.
I'm a Simba chips.
Yeah.
Salt and vinegar.
Which one do you
Smoked
like?
beef.
Which one do you like, Tay?
Which one, biltong? I like the one garlicky. Yo, guys, this is heaven. You know, I was about to leave England, but now I have found South Africa in England. I don't need to go.
How long have you been here?
Too long. Way too long. Before I even knew what the meaning of GNU is.
They took away South African passport.
I've been here 15 years.
Then you should keep your South African passport.
No, I've got both.
Oh, I tried to say yo. Taking chances.
I know.
When they tell they're gonna bomb
But
you.
to be honest, if they
When they say, oh, it's war here, and then I take that green walk and you go home.
but if they said, oh, this I haven't seen in a long time. If they said you have to choose one between the two, which one would you choose?
But the fence.
If like for life, they no longer allow for dual citizenship and you could only choose one, which one would you go for?
I'll take the British one because with the British one you could live in South Africa.
Yes. With the British one, it's easy to go to South Africa. But with the South African one, it's harder to come here. Oh, you even have the pots. Even amasi, guys. I like how they call it cultured milk, not sour milk. From now on, I'm not calling it sour milk. It's cultured milk. Ura. So this one is $6.50. Yeah, guys. Even the pots. Even the pots, guys. We've got everything here. We've got everything. See, there is no reason why your boyfriend in England is not paying lobola for you. The pots are here. Even it's in Kuni, Briarwood. This one is giving Zimbabwe. Oros is here, guys. Castle Light is here. Castle Light is here. Yo, even my hand is tired. Look at the spices. When I think of the spices I received today, I wanna jump in joy. Aromat, £5.49, as in £5.49. I like this bright salt. You guys see, even vinegar from home. The real Cross and Blackwell. The only one that tells you Christmas is around the corner. Hot Archer, mango Archer, that's $4.99, $4.99. Raja curry powder, Mercy's balls. There's nothing that's not here. You want it, it's here. The only thing that's missing is albany bread. Frisco, coffee haze. Imagine coffee haze. When was the last time you saw coffee haze? 5 roses, $5.59. 400. Guys, let me know how much these things cost where you are. Tamadiva. Red rice, I've never seen red rice, I know black rice. White maize, isidambu. Yellow maize. Ah, we even have these.
I'm going back to work.
Taste the best of South Africa. Yeah, this is such a treat. I can't wait to come here. Look at this gift baskets. Guys, I'm doing a show in August. Can I leave some of my flyers here, please?
What is it for?
I'll show you. It has, let me go and get it. I'll show you.
Ronnie,
15. 15:30.
Well, this might be a moment that she wants a really good pitch.
definitely her back to be against the wall and 2 times in the ad side. Serves 111 to the tee.
Cheddar and onion, Anglesey sea salt, sweet chili, or chorizo. I think I'll have that one more. Yeah, thank you. Enjoy your plate.
Can I try the cheese
Cheddar
one?
onion?
Yes.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Thank you. Enjoy.
So I am losing because I've got somewhere to go and I will just have to check the results later. But it was a nice match to watch. Very tough one. And whoever wins, I'm happy for them. Because for me, to be fair, the only thing that even got me to tennis was Venus and Serena. And since they're not playing this year, I'm not paying my money to go to Wimbledon to go to Wimbledon tennis stadium because it is not cheap. It is not cheap. People can pay up to 1,000. So I am here, beautiful people, and someone's playing music. Could they be playing music? Anyway, let me show you the venue. I am going to the venue now because there's a show happening and I've got things to drop off. But this is where everything's going to be happening. This is the venue. And it is so conveniently located. This is where it's all happening. This is the venue. You can't miss it. And it's right next to the fire station, as you can see. And it is so conveniently located because it's only a 5-minute walk from the train station. I've just realized I've lost a screw for the camera. So this is the venue. I am not happy. Why is my thing not here? 26 July. Okay, let's just give them a benefit of a doubt. Why is every poster here except for mine? I am not liking that. Let us look here. My poster is not here. Why is every poster here except for mine? They even have posters for October. I'm not happy. And let's see, upcoming events. Okay, this is July. But there, my show is not there. They better not play me like this. This is not a game I like to play. So, anyway, let's go in. This is the venue. I have come here to drop off some stuff. It is a huge venue. It's a beautiful venue. And it is so good. And you know, if you got your VIP ticket, you got your parking and everything sorted, you will not be complaining. Hello. So, okay. It's a big venue. The train station is right behind. Any moment now you can see a train just going past. And yeah, let's go in. Let's go in. This is it. The fiery bed. Whew. We are here. We are here. They are having
Chris. Yeah.
I am here. Hello. It's me again. Hello. I'm good. I'm tired. I've come to drop off some flyers for you. Oh, yeah. Yeah, so I am excited. Hello. How are you? I am good. Thank you. You know, when you're excited, someone asks you, how are you? You just say, I'm good. I forgot to ask him how he is, but okay, it is done. So I've just left all the things I had come to leave. Posters, flyers, and did a mini meeting about what's to happen and what's not, you know. And now I think I will end this here. I think that's enough for one day. I've done quite a lot today. I'm proud of myself. I did not waste the day, and I am looking for now. Let me just go. I'm not even going to bother to go and cook. I'm just going to go out, have something to eat. I don't want anything heavy because I had 2 big lunches and a nice cold drink. And that's where we end it. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new here, my name is Tenjiwe. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, especially buy tickets to the shows. Buy tickets for the shows. Buy tickets. And remember, subscription is free. Mahala. There's a Banoi right here. Don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, but yay! So if you are coming, this is walking. This is a sign. You won't miss the place. And it's right next to the fire station. This right here. The wall you see behind, that's the fire station. So you will not miss it. And it also means we will be safe. So thank you guys for watching. I love you.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe. Subscription is free. Mahala.